So for example 7, we're looking at evaluating negative 9 to the power of 1/2 when the negative is not part of the base, and then when the negative is part of the base. So for the first part, the negative is not part of the base, so we put it, we're going to write it down, then we're going to have our brackets. We have the square root of 9 to the power of 1. We have our negative. We know that the square root of 9 is 3. So our answer is negative 3, because negative 3 to the power of 1 is negative 3. On the other side over here, we have negative 9 to the power of 1/2. The negative is inside the bracket, so it is part of the base. So we have square root of negative 9 to the power of 1. And of course, we know that this is impossible for us right now, because we can't find the square root of a negative number.